students, Nivedita Joshi is here by taking a new video on topic Mendelian disorder part 2. Actually in the previous video already I covered the half part of the same topic, that is Mendelian disorder. And in this topic again I have just included two more disorders, and in the next video also I'll cover. So today we will study two disorders, that is phenylketonuria and the color blindness one. So we will begin with the phenylketonuria, but once again I will tell you the Mendelian disorder, to what we call the Mendelian disorder, which is because of alteration in single gene. Okay, so that is called as the Mendelian disorder. So now we will talk of phenylketonuria. So this is such a disease which is considered as an inborn error of metabolism. I hope the meaning inborn error means this is by birth. Okay, there is what happens means by birth a certain kind of enzyme is not synthesized in the sufferer's body. So that is called as inborn error of metabolism. Okay, means that enzyme controls a particular metabolic activity, and due to absence of that enzyme, that metabolism cannot be completed. So this is such kind of error. So it is a autosomal recessive trait, means the gene for the same is present on the autosome. Okay, that's why it is autosomal recessive. And because of the recessive one, okay, means when there will be a recessive homozygous condition, then one will be sufferer. So the affected individual lacks an enzyme. The name of the enzyme is phenylalanine hydroxylase. Okay, phenylalanine hydroxylase, and this is the enzyme which converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Okay, understand what it does? It converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. So this occurs in the normal person's body. Okay, but what happens when this process does not occur? As a result, the phenylalanine, it starts accumulating, and later it is converted into the phenylpyruvic acid or its other derivatives, and this accumulates in the brain, and as a result this causes the mental retardation, means it affects the central nervous system. So this is such a disorder. Okay, so and other symptoms, this is also excreted through the urine because of the improper functioning of the kidney, that is the poor absorption. Okay, so this occurs in the phenylketonuria. Go through other Mendelian disorder, that is color blindness. See, don't get confused, color blindness is not blindness. Only the affected person is not able to see few colors, and especially red and green color. The person is not able to distinguish these colors. Okay, and this happens because of the, we know very well in the retina what their cells are there, photosensitive cells are there. So the cones are there, the different types of cones are there, so they just respond for different frequencies. So this is related with that. So color, in the color blindness, person is able to see but not able to see the red and green color. But see, phenylketonuria was a autosomal disorder, and this color blindness is the condition which is sex linked, means the gene for this is present on the sex chromosome, and that sex chromosome is X chromosome. Okay, so again same here. Here also the person means the person, see, the female is having 2x two X sex chromosomes. So in majority the female will be the carrier one. If it's X, one of the X is carrying the gene for this, okay, so she will be the carrier one. But if in males, if the gene is in the one of the one, because male is having only one X chromosome, if it is present in the X chromosome, naturally the male will be sufferer, or male will have this color blindness condition. Okay, so the same is in the case of hemophilia also, that is the female rarely suffers. The same is here. Here also the female rarely suffers. So reason I told you, because female is having the two X chromosomes. See, if the gene is present in the recessive form on both the X chromosomes, then only she will be the sufferer. So there is very rare chances. Okay. So this disorder is also called as color vision deficiency. Now one example is given here. See, uh, normal female is there, that is represented by XX and the plus sign over there, and the male is colorblind, because I told you it is having gene on X chromosome. Okay, because it is having single X, so is a sufferer. So in the C, in the F1, the parents are there, and in the F1, the female is having C gene on one of the X chromosome. So she is a carrier. Okay, she is a carrier, and now she got married with the normal male. And what about the children? We can see here how many chances are there. See, if we consider the children as 100%, so we can see here the 50% females, 50%, okay, uh, okay, huh, females, see overall 50% carrier one, okay, understand, and there is 25% of normal male and 25% of the color blind male, okay. It is written wrong, it is male